Hey everyone, welcome back to another week of Paid Theta. This week is going to go over kind of the recap of last week, my plays. So let's start off from last week. Actually, it was 2 weeks ago. AMD, I sold a $200 or $2 a share put for the 75. That did expire worthless as it's around the $78. So 200 bucks in my pocket. Chewy, same thing, expired worthless. I think it expired at 55. These are very, very low levels. That's why I put them there. At the same time, they were very close to those levels when I sold it. That's how I got so much premium. They both did expire worthless, so I collected 340 bucks at least right there. Pretty nice. Next week, I'm going to go at AMD again. I think it's still at a very good price. It's a little bit higher at 78. Like I said, this all is going to depend on how the market opens. So this is what I'm going for. Like I said, it could change. AMD, I think 76.50 is a great price for it, and I can make a really good bit of premium. Marvel, let's kind of look at Marvel. It's at a very good range in my opinion. I think it's on the higher side, but at the same time, I think there's a lot of support. You can see my support and resistance lines. When it busts through the resistance, it kind of acts as a new support, and you can see over the past like month or so, or actually a couple weeks or so, it's bounced up from this level, and I think it's at a good price, and I think this is a good company long term, especially with the growth and technology wise side of it. So I'm going to go at Marvel. I assume it looks a little beaten down, and I think there's definitely some upside to it. So I'm going to go at AMD and Marvel or Bank of America. It just depends. Bank of America is really, really cheap right now, so I think I want to get into Bank of America. Its price to book ratio is under 1. So what that really means is its assets minus liabilities is more than what the stock is pricing at. So like if you were to sell the company today, you would actually make money off of it. That just means it has a really, really poor outlook, but I think it's a very good company that's not really going to go away. So I think Bank of America is here to stay, and $23 is a really good price for it. So if one of these trades don't work out, I might go Bank of America for like 1% for $23. It's a no-brainer to me. AMD, going at AMD again, I figured, you know what, it's going up a little bit. Let me go for $83. I'd make a little bit more premium. It's 1 week out. $83, it's kind of high, but AMD could go crazy. It could have really good news relating to its chips or its graphics cards. So who knows? 83 might be a little low. I really want to own this stock. It's been great. I think I got it at a great price too. I might go a little higher. We'll see, but still, that's not a bad end of the day if you make that much money off of it. My AT&Ts, I have no clue, guys. I really don't. It's $28 right now, and I'm in it for 23. That's a whole, $4 times 200. That's a whole $800. I'm in the hole on that one. Their dividends next month, so I think I'm just going to wait. It really doesn't even make sense to get any premium off of them. If you look, you'd have to go like to November of 2020, and then I get $10. Maybe that's the move. It just seems like so far away, and I feel like I might as well just hold on to the shares and hope they bounce back for that price, It doesn't make any sense to me to do that. So I think I'm going to hold on to them and see. Bank of America, I'm going to get, a few weeks out, and I'm going to get a little bit of money. It's not going to be great. I don't think these are going to get assigned, but I just don't want to go any lower to kind of mess up with my average cost. So, it's a little bit of money. It's nothing to write home about, but it's interesting to look at. So I did get paid a dividend a couple days ago, and I've made $846 since June off of this play. And if you look at my TD Ameritrade count, I have lost $728 or almost 13% of 200 shares. So that's a quite, astronomical number. That's $728, but actually I have made money off of this stock. I have made 846. So you can't look at this on the phone app. You can actually see like it says I'm positive on this, which is really crazy to think because I'm in this stock at $27 and it's like $23.50 right now, which is mind-blowing to even think how I could be up, but I'm actually up on the stock just because of the power of options and selling time. Selling time has made me about over 13% and really has erased my gain. So I I like Bank of America, and it's really, really cool to see that I was down, but yet I'm still positive. So it's a great feeling. Anyways, I just thought that was really cool to note. But yeah, so down, almost $1,500 between all three of these, really just coming from these two companies, AT&T and Bank of America. They've been really hit hard, but I have actually, made more money between the current ones. Granted, AMD is, holding up a good share of $216 of that, which AT&T is not. But so that's pretty much it. I have about $13,000 to do it, and I'm gonna toy around with Monday's opening to see which one I think is the best price at roughly these prices. This is all just a guesstimate, and then my next account, I am going to probably sell a Micron. They have really good premium, and they've been going up and down lately. If you can see here, Micron has been really back and forth. I think they're a good price at the 47 mark. You can kind of see like the average is, you can draw a straight line at 47, and it's pretty much about the medium. And there's really good bits of premium. 47, you can get roughly $100 for it. Who knows during when the market opens if it's going to open lower or higher, and this is still have some time decay on it. But 47 is not bad. And it's really far off the money, if you will, because it's so far away from 49. It's a whole $2 less, but anything can happen. But $100 really seems worth it. It's about, or it is over 2%, and it's really far away from the money, so I think that's a good play. Probably will get assigned my Bank of America this coming week at $24.50. Really, that's not a bad price for it. And my AMD, I did get assigned at $89. I get 2 weeks out for about $55. Really, just trying to. It's not about making money off selling it now because it's so in the red now. I just want to like recoup some money back from selling options. So I'm just getting $55 for 2 weeks. Not a bad price. Honestly, I could see it happening. I just want to own it fully before earnings because I think it's going to run up. And honestly, I think $89 is right about the point where it would be before earnings. And my Marvel, same thing. Going to get 2 weeks. I've been getting 2 weeks, and you can get pretty decent premium, about 2%, a little bit under, so about 1% a week. 2 weeks, $40. It's kind of in the range between, like I said, 37 on the other account and 40. So, kind of buy low, sell high type thing. So I want to sell it high and I want to buy it low. So there's a whole $3 difference between the 40 and the 37 over here, or the 38, whatever, $2 difference, but still like $2 for a $38 stock is a big move. So I think that's where the stock's toying in between. And I'm just trying to make money from bettors that are taking my money thinking it's going to do more or less in this. So that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and liking. It really helps the channel. And I will be getting back with you sometime next week on how these positions came out and which ones I actually took. And I will go over kind of a follow-up there. So I will catch you guys next time. Thanks so much.